Sarah lost her job and drained her $1,000 emergency fund in 1 month. She was broke, stressed, and clueless. Her savings were gone, her credit cards maxed. She owed $2,500 on her Visa alone. Meet Sarah, 28, earning $45K a year, living paycheck to paycheck. She thought she was prepared with her $1,000 emergency fund. But life had other plans, and her car broke down, costing $800 to fix. Her rent was $1,200 a month, and she had to choose between paying rent or fixing her car. The $1,000 emergency fund rule is a myth, a one-size-fits-all solution. It doesn't account for the actual cost of living in the US, where the average rent is $1,500 a month. In 2024, the US inflation rate was 3.5%, making it even harder to save. A shocking 64% of Americans can't afford a $1,000 emergency expense. Sarah's turning point came when she met Emily, a financial advisor. Emily told her that the $1,000 emergency fund rule was outdated. The new rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. For Sarah, that would be $10,000 to $20,000, a far cry from her $1,000. Emily showed Sarah how to create a bare-bones budget, cutting back on dining out and subscription services. Sarah started selling items she no longer needed, making an extra $500 a month. She also took on a side hustle, freelancing as a writer, earning an extra $1,000 a month. She put it all towards her emergency fund, determined to never be broke again. In 6 months, Sarah saved $15,000, a game-changer for her finances. She paid off her credit card debt and started investing in a retirement account. Her credit score improved, and she qualified for a lower interest rate on her car loan. She was finally stress-free, knowing she could handle any financial emergency. You can do the same, starting with a realistic emergency fund goal. Calculate your monthly expenses and aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it, trust me. Subscribe to WealthWise AI for more controversial takes on personal finance.